Watergate salad is a vintage delight, but Watergate pie is a modern remix your entire family is gonna love. It's actually Watergate Fluff pie because after all, it's the fluff that makes people kind of stop and say, wait, what the heck is in this? So let's jump right into the remix and we begin with the crust. Pop 4 generous cups of vanilla wafers into a processor and blitz until you get crumbs. Add 6 tablespoons of melted butter and mix until it looks kinda wet. Dump this into a 9-inch pie plate and press the crumbs into the bottom and sides. This crust needs to chillax in the fridge for a little bit, which is great because that gives us enough time to turn the classic ingredients of the salad into our pie filling. Pistachio pudding, pineapple, whipped topping, coconut, pecans, cherries, and marshmallows, oh my! Grab the whip, which has been sitting out for about 30 minutes, and whisk in the pudding mix. Watch the green come to life. Here's a change up from the salad. Don't use crushed pineapple. Instead, we're going to use tidbits or chunks for texture. And definitely drain your pineapple. No juice is needed for this pie. Fold in 1 cup of shredded coconut and half a cup of pecan pieces. Before you add the cherries, make sure they're well drained and patted dry. Half a cup of cherries should do. I usually like to let my filling chill just a little bit in the fridge before I add it to the crust. But if you're in a hurry to eat your fluff pie, like I am, go ahead and add it in there. Now, you might remember part of the fluff from our original fluff salad comes from marshmallows. Do not worry, I have not forgotten about those. After your pie has chilled for about an hour, add a big old pile of marshmallows. And there you have it, Pistachio Delight, Watergate Fluff, that green stuff, whatever you've called it in the past, remix this retro recipe and call it pie.